Uber taxi to Range Rover, oh, the boy he don't hammer, oh. Piano sorom kele Jehovah, oh, me kwa la yoso. My landlord is now no my tenant, you know be manpower, no. Yankee, China, UK, Malaysia, Jehovah, Bawomo, Garanya, From Uber taxi to Range Rover, oh, the boy he don't hammer, Piano sorom kele Jehovah, oh, me kwa la yoso. My landlord is now no my tenant, you know be manpower, no. Yankee, China, UK, Malaysia, Jehovah, Bawomo, Garaya. Kele Jehovah, oh, Sukubayo. Kele Jehovah, oh, Sukone Chabayo. Kele Jehovah, oh, Agedese Bayo. Kele Jehovah, oh, Agedese Bayo. Ekene de lichuku, mbule limnotito de lichuku. Kobo kaishigu wapuku. Ifo lafufu mwoketa lafufu noboro. Last Christmas, imanazo friji kanji shestu. This Christmas, inge wefi na but one of our brothers. Giving God thanksgiving for the life that I'm living. Upon him alone, you should know where I'm living. Still beyond my believing, can the music changing in the Jamo Kobo movie. Gotta keep it moving. And man coach and woody the type of joy that I'm feeling. And your grace got me singing, grace got me singing. Say, Bully wo melo, Bully wo melo. Bully woman, Jesus say bully woman. Oh, Saturday, oh my Jesus, Jehovah Jireh, my provider, Chimamanda. Jehovah Nisi, my healer, Chimamanda. Oh, my ocean divider, my redeemer, Chimamanda. Everybody came, my comforter, Chimamanda. Onye nwelu chukwu nwelu nchekwube Chigamanda. Iku kwasi obi na Chineke Chigamanda. Chimamanda, Chimamanda nata. Yaga wachi anyamanda. Mr. Flavor, Ichel Africa, Chigamanda. Oh, Mama mo a formula se Chigamanda nata. Papa mo nyeme Chigamanda. Madam Baka adoration Chigamanda. TV Joshua in the synagogue Chunamanda. The clergy nile in the Alwolu Chunamanda. Chimamanda, Chimamanda, Yaga wachi anyamanda. We make up for Chigamanda. Esalune nwego Chris Oba Chigamanda. Obi Jackson okija Chigamanda nata. Omemma ine memma.
Good evening. Anes and there one more. There. Oka and a chick or Rubala. I na chibido ana chebwa po yosona. And agba mi boge kam me onyega bo onyobo na balia our MC introduce. Obo nwanne m nwoke ana boy ndukwe emerowa. Abia be able MC na balia. Ngwan DJ enjoy you.
Every day like day, I just dey sing. Everything I do, we just dey penetrate. I just want to say thank you. See, I'm living large, I get them just for my ghetto. Never forget where I come from now. I just want to say thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. You know, we are here to have a wonderful time. You know, the function tonight is like somebody had a triplet. Because we have three things we are doing this night. We're having a birthday party. We're having a Thanksgiving party. And we are launching the Igbo language online party. So we are having a triplet party tonight. If you don't have your dancing shoes, and if your stomach is overflowing, there's a bathroom here for men, bathroom here for ladies, empty. Because we're going to have a good time this night. I have to call on somebody that will help me guide the ship, steer the ship tonight. And this is a wonderful lady. I know my brother knows good things when he sees one. He had paired me with a beautiful lady to guide the ship tonight. Her name is Princess Obi Okamweke. Please give her a round of applause. DJ! Say something to them, please. Say hello to them.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Una bialao. Una unemelabia. Mazi na dingaya. Unumana habundi operana. Very respectable, reputable people in New York. So we're here to honor them. And like my big Oga said here, the main MC, I'm only supporting him. As he said, we're all here to dance, to merriment, and also to keep them in our prayers. And I'm going to also repeat the housekeeping rules. Over there, we have the ladies, at the extreme end over there, and right here, we have the men. So if you need anything, please do not hesitate to ask anyone. So we welcome you and let the party begin.
You know that before we do anything, we have to call on the big guy up there to come and guide whatever we're doing to make sure that everything is in order. At this point, we have to call somebody that can have a direct line to the man upstairs come and lead us in prayer. Sing it again. I'll call on the guy upstairs to come and be with us as we do all that we do tonight. The only thing is that I will have to pray in Igbo. If you don't understand it, have somebody next to you to interpret it to you, what I'm saying to you. Be good. Ndem chanya moko na ibileligwe ndị ikom ibe m unu kpufu unu ndị inyom gwere ihe ghachi isi ọ bụ ihe eziri anyị mgbe ọrị lọba agala ụlọ ụka ndị inyom gwere ihe ghachi isi ndị ikom ekpufu okpu ha ọ bụ ka ya na-akwanyere onye kere anyị nna anyị bi n'eluigwe onye a na-akpọku mgbe ọbụla onye na-edu anyị na-eche anyị nna gị onwe gị mpụ nna ma na ụbọchị taa ga-ebịa na ihe anyị na-eme taa na anyị na-aga ime ya maazị Ogbonna na ezinụlọ ya sị ka anyị ọbịa ka anyị onye otuto nyewe ekele na ihe ọma imere ha n'ihi na ọ bụrụ ọkpụ n'ịbụ onye na-ajụ ka akwụọ ụgwọ na ime ihe ibe emere ha na imere ha site na amara gị na ịhụnanya gị na a na-asịkwana gị ihe ọbụla nke anyị ga-ime n'ụbọchị taa onye nwe m ka ị bịa bụrụ onye ndu bụrụ onye nche anyị bụrụ ivu ụzọ n'ikpeazụ anyị bụrụ ọpụpụ na mbata anyị ka ị duo anyị ka ihe niile nke anyị ga-ime taa ka anyị mee ya n'ụzọ ziri ezi ka otuto doro gị onye bụ nna na-arụkwa m arịọ gị sị gị nna biko nọnyere ezinụlọ onwere ihe nke ha megbu kpọkuo anyị nna mechiere ha mgbugbu chiri mmaji na-asịkwa ya na ndị nke bịara ịnọnyere ha na-asị gị onye nwaanyị biko duo anyị gị onwe gị bụ nna ma mkpa anyị otu ihu anyị si dị iche iche bụ otu mkpa anyị niile si dị iche iche na ana m arịọ gị biko ka ị bịa gọzie anyị chebe anyị bụrụ onye ndu bụrụ onye nche anyị ihe ọ niile ka m na-arịọ na-elekwa anya na ị ga-eme karịa ka m rịọrọ gị site n'aha nwa gị bụ Jizọs Kraịst onye nke nwụrụ n'ihi anyị eme oto dịrị unu. The next thing on this item, since we've already prayed, the recognition of the singing of the Methodist College Uzakole anthem. I don't know if the DJ, do you have it? Well, who are the Uzakole? Listen, you can go get up and sing it for us because the DJ doesn't have the anthem. Because please hurry up. If we don't have them, we can move on to the next item. Oh, they're coming out. Okay. Uzumeko. They have to call them the Uzumekos. Come out here. Come and take the microphone. When they hear us, your beautiful voices.
I have my seniors here, and you can guess their voice from mine. They are all cracked. Well, I'm the junior, the most junior. of all of them. So we're just going to the first verse.
Okay.
So let us go. Praise to the Lord, the Almighty, the King of creation. Oh, my soul, praise Him, for He is thy help and salvation. Brothers and sisters, draw near, praising me glad adoration.
Please give them a big round of applause. I know that won't win any prize, but at least they did something. All right, Mr. DJ. Okay. The next item on this agenda is a very important one, because according to the Igbo culture, if you go to somebody's house, no matter what time of the day, and that person did not present you with a kola nut, whatever they give you, know that they are not welcome, because they didn't welcome you. That kola nut signifies that that person really welcomed you and appreciated you. They can give you rice, anything. Without that kola nut as the beginning, this presentation to you in that at the time, you're not really welcome in that house. So at this point, we're going to present the kola nut, and also the presentation of the kola nut is given to the oldest person in the oldest community. We have Isukweto. We have 3 clans that made up the Isukweto: Imenyi, Iswamao, and Okurasa. Imenyi is the oldest. So even if we have an Imenyi person here, somebody from Ahaba that is younger than the people from Ovim or Ezele, that person from Ahaba will be the one to receive the kola nut, because he is regarded as oldest. At this juncture, we are going to present that kola nut to our brother, Dr. Ebube, because he is from Ahaba, which is in Imenyi. My brother.
Igbo mman rienu nwanu zụanụ ọkwala abalị ọ ga-adị egwu. On behalf of this quarter, I welcome everybody here to this triple ceremonial occasion. Una hinoji enyere anyị this quarter. Asịla ọjị ala asụbeke. In other words, this kola nut does not speak English. Therefore, I will speak in Igbo. Onye gotara ya ọjị, Maazị Nnenna and the Native Tongue Academy. Celebration ha na-enwe, anyị sị ka anyị gọzie ọjị ọ. Asịla onye gotara ọjị gotara ndụ. So m na-asị n'ekpere anyị taa ọjị ọ, ka anyị tata ndụ, akụ na ụba. Ndị niile bere ngọ ha ṅụọ ọṅụ, ha lawa onye ọbụla Chineke duruo ha na nga ha si bịa. Nyere anyị ọbụla anyị na-eme ka Chineke gọzie ya
So nna anyị dị ọbasi dọrọ n'elu anyị na-ekele ahụ maka ọjị e nyere anyị. Ama eme otu anyị si eme na Isukwu Atọ. Isukwu Atọ bụ Ikwu Atọ, Ibenyi, Amawa na Ogudesa. Ndị Isukwu Atọ na-ahịla ọjị, onwe onye Ibenyi nọ ngọ ama anata oke ndị Ibenyi ejighị nwa ngọ. Onwe onye isu Amawa nọ ngọ ya bụ epụtara ndị isu Amawa ọjị. Ndị onye isi Amawa na ọjị.
Ndewo ame wotia ọjị n'isi Amawa.
Onwe onye Ogudasa nọ ngọ ya bụ Ogudasa onye nwa nwa nwere ike ibe gwere ya ma ọ dị onye Ogudasa nọ ngọ ga natara ndị nna ụchọ. Okay. Yes. Ndị eze na ndị ọzọ onwe onye nwere ike ịbịa natara oke ngọ. Ndị eze na ọzọ. Yes. Onye Abia steeti nọ ngọ nwere ike ịbịa natara ndị Abia steeti ọjị. Onye Ebonyi nọ ngọ Ebonyi steeti, onye Ebonyi steeti nọ ngọ. Onye Ebonyi, onye Imo steeti nọ ngọ. Anambra steeti. Onye Enugu steeti nọ ngọ. Enugu steeti. Onye Enugu steeti nọ ngọ. Ndị ụmụnne anyị ndị Rivers steeti. Onye Rivers steeti nọ ngọ. Ọbịanatara ndị Rivers steeti. Onye Delta steeti nọ ngọ. Delta steeti. Benue steeti. Na Benue steeti. Onye Benue steeti nọ ngọ. Ụmụ anyị ndị Amerịka. Onye
Isolu. The next item on the agenda is food. I can see everybody's mouth moving. So we've already started doing it. From appetizer, is that what they call it now? Appetizer. Then we're looking for the entrees. So when we deal with the food, after that, we're going to bring in the celebrants. So I just want somebody, I'll just, give us a little time for them to grab something to munch. Okay?
Along came to see.
Collect, wale, net, pack 'em, body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go pefun, collect, wale, net, pack 'em, body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dance. Why you wanna do me long thing? Open up, sorry, why they do me something? Why they do me wrong thing? Open up, sorry, why they do me something? Collect, wale, net, pack 'em, body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go pefun, collect, wale, net. Body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing.
Benzema, baby shaman, I'm like a joke. Down, the back when all I want me can know. I need your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Oh baby, your body, oh yeah, your body from daddy, yo. Any meta, Shama any meta, Poco, Shama one little any meta, Poco, Sasha one any meta, Loni meta, Shama any meta, Poco, Daddy mama any meta, Poco, I go me really meta, yeah.
Befun, collect, wale. Net, pack 'em, body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go pefun, collect, wale, net, pack 'em, body too correct. Say she love me, and you love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Benzema, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance you the dance. I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Why you wanna do me long thing? She open up, sorry, why they do me something? Why they do me long thing? She open up, sorry, why they do me something?
This woman, I know we're here for 3 things. It's like 3 in 1, right? But I'm most interested in Nena's, because Nena's birthday was yesterday, November 1st, All Saints Day, and I happened to share it with her. That's what binds us together. This woman, she's very phenomenal. She's beauty with brains. As you all know, she's a renowned pharmacist and has been in this career for so many decades. Not only that, she's a God-fearing woman. I call her, or we all call her, a woman of substance. So please, when she marches in here with her family, I would like everyone, every lady, every gentleman to please honor her, because it's not easy being a woman of substance. It's not easy been added another year yesterday, and I pray that she will continue to flourish and age with God's grace. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the family. Mazi, DJ, the music, please.
I know
Don't take
Sinachi, Sayana Mama, Sinachu, now we can power, Sinachi, even my energy, Sinachi. Now they go to buy everything we see we buy. I got to bring it up in there, and it's a purpose, it's good to buy. Shady, when you say we don't go there, I'm the ones put them wrong. There's so much more back at us. Tell me why you don't go shout. Not because I suffer us, not because I pray for us, not because I show up the jazz. She
birthdays we are celebrating today. The first one is a birthday. The second one is a Thanksgiving. And the third one is launching of the Igbo language line. You see, our brother, I call him Bomazi, he likes culture. And he is one that don't want us to lose our culture. So he decided to have an Igbo language tutorial online. And tonight, we're going to make it public to the world. Without wasting much of your time, I'll call on Bomazi to walk us through this particular venture. Thank you.
All right. Friends of Ndibo agree. Ndibo Gwenu. Friends of Ndibo agree. Good. Because no, this is time for Igbo language. All the children have taken my classes. This is your time to slip onto your dancing shoes. There won't be any exams, but you go to show what you learned today. I'm here to teach you how to learn Igbo using A, B, C, D, A. Only 5 letters. You can learn Igbo. Start speaking Igbo today. That's not the way I was taught. That's why you have Mother Tongue Academy. I'm trying to find a way to make it easier for these children who like to go to the internet for something faster or easier for them. I want to make it as easy as possible. Anybody can do it if you learn from me today. Okay? We're going to start, please. It's time for Igbo language. I approach your indulgence, everybody. Please, including the MC. Please. Thank you. Yeah, in my class, please, don't noise, no noise making, please, thank you. Please, microphone. Okay, right now, this is what I teach. This is where I'll be teaching the children. Hello. Thank you. My kids come to class the first day not speaking Igbo in their life, just like me. If everybody, like Americans, when you're born in America, you're American. If it is so, I'll be a Yoruba man. I was born in Lagos. My father was a railway worker. So what I done in Nigeria, north, south, east, and west. I couldn't speak any Igbo when I went to the east. So, by birth, I'm an Igbo man, and I can teach Igbo. I can teach Yoruba too. I can teach any language if you know the formula. Language is given to us by God naturally. Any language you speak is natural. When you have to write it, it's a code. Anything you speak when you are born is your language. When you have to learn how to write it, you are learning how to write a code. Code means if they tell you to say A, that's what it's all about. If they tell you something is K, that's what it's about. Now, please, no more serving of food right now. Thank you. What I do is this. My children come into class. I ask them their names. Everybody tell me their name, where they come from. Now, what I'm looking for, I'll tell them, you can learn Igbo language today using A, B, C, D, A. I also tell them that the English alphabet has 26 alphabets. Igbo has 36, 10 more. So you have to learn more, 10 more. If you know 26, you have to learn 10 more. Those are G, B, things like. I'm not going to them because of space of time. Now, what do we do? I tell them to do this effectively. You have to know how to learn, borrow something. You borrow from the alphabet, 36 of them. You borrow M. You borrow M. You borrow the word M from anywhere on the alphabet. You borrow it. Okay? Now, I start with A. The most popular A for my inborn classes are then the next thing is gonna be B, which is east. Apple. Then you borrow the M, which happens to be the beginning of my name, Mazi. You can't forget it. You borrow the beginning of money. You can't forget it. You add the borrowed word. Now, I always ask my students, what are your names? And I hear people say Chima, Chimwike, Chimaroke, all the Chi's. I just say, good. Then my name is, when I use C now, somebody in my class will be Chim. Everybody repeat after me. Abu Chima. Everybody. 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 Now, if you have learned to say Abu Chima, whatever your name is, you can just substitute it. What they call substitution. Abu Mazi. Abu Mazi. Everybody. Abu Mazi. Now you can put your name. Whatever your name is. Abu Mazi. Abu Mukoroba. Abu Chije Chika Ogaya. Abu Chinyerewe. All the names you can. You have learned people using ABC right now. Borrowing this word. Alright? Everybody knows that? Another one to start learning Igbo is A, which is what? Aha. Everybody say Aha. 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 The Anambra will say Alpha. Everybody say Alpha. 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 Now you go. Aha. Alpha. Now you say. Now, everybody say Ahambo. 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 Now use your chima again. Ahambo chima. Afambo shimaroke. Afambo chinoem. Afambo whatever. Chi, right? Now, after you learn that, you can substitute your name. That's how a kid can know his name. Afambo Emeka. Afambo Chijoke. Afambo Mazi Obona. That's how I say it. Now the next thing, using Fa. Everybody wants something. Everybody wants something. I teach the kids, please use Achoram. And I'll tell them, please be respectful. Because if you're talking to your parents, by using the second word, the second B, the most popular B, I teach my kids, Biko. Okay? Now, for respect purposes, Biko, but you can start with Achoram, Biko, Achoram. Now, when I ask the kid, what do you want? They always say, money, money, money. Biko, Achoram, Ego. Everybody, Achoram, Ego. Everybody, Achoram, Ego. Achoram, Ego. I do too. Everybody wants to Achoram, Ego. Now, the kids are letting you go fast, right? Now, tell them the most popular D. D is to greet somebody. And I know what they call Dalo. Everybody, Dalo. 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 Then I said, they know Dalo. Then they can say, Dalo Yankuzi. Everybody. Everybody. Dalo Nanana. Everybody. Dalo Nanana. That's what I teach for the kids. Now, A. I teach them this. You gotta know where you come from. You start with A, Sim, Mbise. S in Abia State. S in everywhere. S in America. Everybody say Esim. 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 With all these 5 words, in less than 1 hour, my kids will go on speaking Igbo. My kids will go on speaking Igbo. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to clap for yourselves. You have been good students. You have been good students, okay? Now, My guys, please come over here. All my Igbo students, could you come now? Microphone, give me a microphone too. Yeah, give me the microphone. All my children, come out here, please. Don't be shy.